Isa ka bang OFW o business owner naghahanap ng property for retirement na single attached na complete turnover, complete amenities, at secured ang family mo? At yung may community na tahimik, maliwalas, at higit sa lahat, less than 1 hour going to Manila or Makati via Cavitex or Calas. Then, welcome to your future home here in Anyana Village. Hi, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. Magandang araw mga Dream House, another house tour naman tayo at samahan niyo po ako para pakilala sa inyo ang isa sa property dito sa Anyana Village, which is Sydney Model, na located lang po dito sa Barangay Sana Mayor, Tanza, Cavite. Sydney Model Unit ay single attached na meron pong 3 bedrooms, so toilet and bath, and may spacious car garage. And take note guys, complete turnover po to. At alam mo ba, bukod sa community at amenities, napaka-convenient manirahan po dito. Dahil sa loob ng village ay meron po tayong shop house like restaurants, convenience store, at marami pang iba. O kaya hindi na po kayo kailangan lumabas para sa mga essential needs nyo. Guys, Sydney Model Unit, meron po siyang lot area na 80 square meter while the floor area is 76.09 square meter. And meron din pong available colors na pagpilian, either mustard or gray. Okay, let's start the house tour guys. Okay, ang una ko ipakilala sa inyo, or ipakita ko po sa inyo ang actual turnover na Sydney Model. So again, ang lot area nito guys is 80 square meter. So since po ito ay single attached, so it means meron po siyang firewall yung partition niya. Like this. So ito po, since single attached, from the firewall is a part of your property. So from here hanggang dito is part of your property around 10 meters. Well, which is yun po is lalapad. But yung haba from here, dito, hanggang doon sa dulo, yun ay part naman, ang property mo around 8 meters. So again, this property, meron po siyang 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets and bath, and may spacious for car garage. So, this is actual turnover. So, ito yung pinagtayuan ko guys. Ito po yung space for car garage. So, kung tutuusin, kasya po siya for dalawang sasakyan. Now, check naman natin yung sa likod ng property mo. So, ito, smooth cement finish. It is the actual turnover. But ditong part na to, as a sample lang po siya, pero the actual turnover is leveled soil lang po siya. So, here, dito, from dito, hanggang dito po part ng property mo. Hanggang dito sa likod. So, kung tutuusin, this is your service area. Or pwede mo siya gawing as a laundry area. So, malapad pa po siya, guys. So, pwede mo siyang kaya pang gawin as isang kwarto, pwede po yun siya. Then, ito naman yung property mo sa second floor. So, pwede mo siya i-maximize. Gusto mo po siya i-extend, dagdagan ng another kwarto, sorry, pwede po yan po. Okay, check naman natin yung front edge ng property mo. So, ito yung harap ng property mo, guys. So, meron ka pa dito space. Pwede mo siyang any purposes. Then, pwede ka po mag-add ng another purposes sa second floor para po ma-maximize mo pa yung space. So, ito po is not the actual turnover, but the actual turnover nito guys is a leveled soil. Yeah. Pasokin naman natin yung sa loob. So, yung main door niya, made of steel door type. Okay. This is the actual turnover guys. So again, the floor area niya is 76.09 square meter. So ito na yan, complete turnover. As in, wala na po kayo ipapagawa. As in, magamit na lang ang kulang nyo. Then, if ever gusto nyo po idagdag na as interior design, pwede po yan. At least, unti na lang po idadagdag nyo or as renovation. So, again guys, this is the first part of your first floor. Sa first floor pa lang guys, fully painted na po yung mga walls hanggang sa ceiling. Then, yung floor natin, naka-already tiles na po siya, which is 60 by 60 ang size. Then, mga windows natin, naka-awning type na po siya. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Pati sa kitchen, yon. 4 na windows meron dito po. So, dito, meron pa tayong space sa ilalim ng hagdan. Pwede mo siya gawin as a storage area. Then, yung mga outlets, again, naka-ready na po siya. Yan. Dito naman tayo sa kitchen. So, yung kitchen natin, guys, sobrang haba. So, marami ka pong mapaglalagyan. Of course, naka-granite tiles, naka-stainless sink, faucet, and meron na din po tayong windows, which is sliding. Yan. Yung nakagahandahan dito, well-ventilated, and meron po tayong natural sourcing of light. Of course, dito po, kayo na mag-provide. At least, masusunod yung mga interior design or any purposes, yan. Again guys, this is the actual turnover dito sa Sydney model. Okay, check naman natin yung toilet and bath. Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli, complete accessories tayo dyan. Meron na po tayong dyan shower, water closet with flash type, lavatory, window with awning type, tissue holder. Then, of course, naka-tiles na po siya. And the rest, fully painted na po. And by the way, guys, yung door natin dito, PVC type. Okay? Check naman natin. By the way, if ever, pwede mo siya gawin dito as a living area. At pwede dito, of course, dining area. Since dito po yung kitchen niya. Now, check naman natin yung service area. So, ang door natin dito, napakatibay, which is still door type. So, which is, pinakita ko na sa inyo dito po. Ito yung service area or pwede mo siya gawing as a laundry area po. Na meron po siyang may space for if ever gusto yung another kwarto or any purposes, pwede po yan siya. Then again guys, hindi po siya actual turnover nito. Leveled soil po pagka actual turnover nito, guys. Okay, check naman natin. Going second floor. Okay, sa hagdan, going second floor, metal hand railings with a tubular type. Tapos yung apaka natin is wood planks. Of course, buhos na din pagkakagawa. Okay, check natin po. So, kung napapansin nyo, okay guys, kung napapansin nyo, dito sa second floor, fully painted na din po yung walls hanggang ceiling. And dito sa second floor, meron pa tayong 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Now, check natin yung bedroom 1. So, ito yung bedroom 1 natin. Bedroom 1 natin, fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling. Naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. Then, yung floor natin is vinyl plank style as a premium quality. Windows natin, which is dalawa yung windows natin dito. Dito is sliding window type, which is, while here is awning type. Now, check naman natin yung bedroom 2. And by the way guys, type of door natin dito is a wood type, which is a premium quality. Now, check naman natin yung bedroom 2. Ito yung bedroom 2 natin. So, bubungad agad, mapapansin nyo agad yung window natin na napakalapad. Yan, awning type. Dito sa baba, hindi siya ma-open. But dito sa upper part, na-open po siya. Then, same lang po, fully painted na po siya hanggang ceiling. Then, wood planks type yung floor type natin. Tapos, already installed or ng outlets, naka-ready na po yun siya. Now, check naman natin yung bedroom or a master bedroom. But before that, check muna natin guys yung toilet and bath. Sa second floor, meron tayong toilet and bath as a common toilet and bath natin. So, again, complete accessories. Meron po siyang water closet with flush type, bowl or lavatory, shower, window which is awning type, then tiles, of course, the rest, fully painted na po siya. Yan, complete na po siya guys. Now, check naman natin yung master bedroom. Okay, to the master bedroom, again, same lang po yung mga type of door nila dito, which is wood type as a premium quality. Floor natin, vinyl type. Floor, I mean, walls natin, fully painted hanggang ceiling. Then, naka-install or ready na po mga outlets. Dito sa master bedroom, pinakamalaking salamin or window, which is awning type. Again, dito sa lower part, di siya na-open. But here, na-open po siya. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda. So, maganda source of natural light and well-ventilated na din po siya. Of course, ito din. Mas smaller lang po to siya na type of window. Yan. So guys, this is actual turnover. Ngayon, ipakita ko naman since pinapakita this actual turnover, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung model dress-up unit para magkaroon kayo ng idea pag meron na po siyang interior designs and mga furnitures. Okay guys, kung kanina napakita ko sa inyo yung actual turnover ng Sydney model unit dito sa Anyana Village, ngayon ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung model dress-up unit. Now, tara guys, samahan niyo po ako. So again, this is the model dress-up unit. This is the car garage. Then, landscape frontage ng property mo. Now, check naman natin yung sa loob. So, see, ito yun guys. So, once magkaroon ng furnitures, interior designs, guys, ito yung looks pag as a model dress-up unit. This is your living area. And this is your dining area. Kitchen area. Now, this is your toilet and bath. Of course, service area niyo po. Now, check naman natin yung going second floor. So, sa hagdan pa lang, binago na nila. Sa actual turnover, or this is a modern dress-up unit, glass type po ang ginawa nila. Now, check naman natin yung second floor. Okay, this is second floor. First bedroom. Now, toilet and bath. Second bedroom. And this is your master bedroom. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung modern dress-up unit and actual turnover. Pakita ko naman sa inyo yung details competition of this property. Hey guys, Sydney model unit available through Pag-ibig and bank financing. Take note guys, ito lang property dito sa Anyana Village na pwede mo i-loan through Pag-ibig. And this is the details competitions through Pag-ibig and bank financing. The total contract price is 5,558,074 pesos, less gross down payment na 1,343,824 pesos, less reservation fee na 80,000. O kaya, ang net down payment nyo ay 1,263,824 pesos na payable in 14 months. Kung kaya, ang monthly down payment nyo ay magiging 90,273 pesos. So, once ma-fully paid ang down payment, ang magiging balance or loanable amount ay magiging 4,214,250 pesos. Kung ang preferred mo is Pag-ibig financing, ang magiging monthly amortization niya is 25,947 pesos for 30 years. And dapat mayroon kang gross monthly income na 74,184 pesos para maging qualified. Now, well, if ang preferred mo is through bank financing, ang magiging monthly amortization mo for 25 years is 32,526 pesos. And kailangan sumasahod ka ng 107,336 pesos. And if ever hindi pa kayo qualified sa required income, ay pwede tayong magkaroon ng co-borrower as a combination salary. Now guys, dito sa Anyana Village, aside from house and lot package, ay available din po tayo dito na lot only. Sa mga gustong magpatayo ng future home na sariling design, structure, and floor plan. And meron din po tayong available dito commercial lot. Kung kaya ikaw ay nagbabalak na magtayo ng sarili mong business, ay perfecto sa'yo dito sa Anyana Village for your future business. Guys, naipakita ko na sa inyo ang actual turnover, model dress-up unit, and details computation ng Sydney model na single attached na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, spacious car garage na may complete turnover and complete amenities. Kung kaya ikaw ay nag-iinteresado sa house tour vlog ko, message nyo lang po ako para sa magiging future home nyo. Again, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dreamhouse Realty. See you soon! Thank you, Ka Dreamhouse!